Welcome to another episode of Jumpin In The Pot. I'm your host, Marcia. Today we're going to make another easy weeknight recipe for your menu. So this is what's going to be jumping in my pot today. Nest, ground beef, and potatoes. Let's get to it. These are the ingredients we will be using. Shredded cheese. I'm using shredded Swiss cheese. You can use any cheese you like. Unsalted butter, tomato paste, fresh dill, minced garlic. I have in this bowl here salt and black pepper, paprika, oregano, crushed tomatoes, and I have in here diced onions and red pepper. I have here the ground beef, and I have in this bowl the white potatoes. Now let's do the first step of making the nest big ground beef and potatoes. I'm going to dice up the potatoes, put them in this pot. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. How is everyone doing today? I hope everyone is well. Where I'm at today, the weather is very nice out. Not too cold or hot. The temperature is just right. Now we're going to add some salt to this pot. And then we're going to add some water. And then I'm going to turn the stove on medium, hot, low. And we're going to boil the potatoes. Now let's move on to the next thing. I have a skillet here, and I'm going to add the ground beef and saute up the ground beef. Now let's see. It's browned up enough. So we're going to add some black pepper and salt. Some paprika, the garlic, the tomato paste. I'm going to let this saute here for about a minute. For making it more quicker and easier, you can buy your favorite marinara sauce out of the supermarket and add it to this. Now we're going to add the diced onions and red peppers. We're going to mix the red peppers and the onions up together. We're going to let this saute up for about 2 minutes. Well, let's check and see if it's ready to add the crushed tomatoes. To the crushed tomatoes, we're going to add some oregano. And then we mix this up. Then we're going to cover it up and let it simmer for an hour. I've drained the potatoes, and now we're going to mash them. I have my potatoes cooking for 25 minutes. Now we're going to add the butter to the potatoes. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Now we're going to add the dill. I have a sheet pan here lined with parchment paper. This is what we're going to do with the potatoes. We're going to scoop some up, and then we're going to make a ball with your hand. Then we're going to add it to the baking sheet. Now, this is the next thing we do. We take a cup. Make sure it's a cup not with a handle. Any cup will do. We're going to shape the bird's nest. Press it down. We form it. Make sure it's pressed down. Let's do another one. You shape it back if it cracks up. Now we have the nest made. We're going to add some shredded cheese to the nest. Now we're going to add the ground beef mixture to the nest. Then we're going to add some more cheese to the top of each nest. I have my oven set to 350 degrees. I'm going to bake this for 15 to 20 minutes or until the cheese melts. It depends on your oven how long you leave it there. Here you have it. Bird's nest, ground beef, and potatoes. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and X. And I will see you soon with another video. And don't forget to press the like button so it can help me get this video in the algorithm. Bye.